Let's see anatomy of heart. Our heart is an extraordinary machine. During our lifetime, our heart's muscular wall compete into the blood vessels, branching to all over the body. Let's see chambers of heart. Our heart has 4 chambers. 2 upper chamber, right and left atrium, and 2 lower chambers, right and left ventricle. Contract in a steady rhythm known as heartbeat. During normal heartbeat, blood flow from tissue and lung into atria and then into ventricle. The wall inside the heart is called interatrial and interventricular septum. Keeps the blood left and right side from mixing. Walls of the heart. 2 walls look like door between atria and ventricle, which regulate blood flowing back into atria. The tricuspid walls opens in a right ventricle and bicuspid, or it also known as mitral walls, opens into left ventricle. Strong inelastic fibers called chorditendini holds our walls in place during course of interaction of ventricle. Blood leading ventricle passes through another set of walls, the pulmonary walls, between our right ventricle and pulmonary trunk, and the aortic wall present between left ventricle and aorta. In order to pump blood efficiently, our heart muscles called myocardium is arranged in unique pattern. 3 layers of myocardium wrap around the lower part of the heart. They twist and tie in deep interaction, push blood through our heart. When special cells called pacemaker cells generate electrical signal inside our heart. The heart muscle cells called myocytes contract as a group. Our heart is divided into right and left half, which together act like dual pump. On right side of the heart, deoxygenated blood from our body tissue comes into atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. Next, the blood enters into right ventricle, which contracts and sends blood out from the heart to lung through pulmonary trunk. On the left side of our heart, oxygen-rich blood from our lung comes through pulmonary veins into left atrium. The blood then moves into left ventricle, which contracts and sends blood out of our heart through the aorta to our body cells and tissue. The first branch of aorta is coronary artery, which supply blood with nutrients and oxygen to our heart muscles. The top of aorta arteries branch or carry blood to the head and arms. Arteries branching from lower and middle part of the aorta supply to the rest of the body. Our heart beats an average 60 to 100 beats per minute. In that 1 minute, our heart pumps about 5 quarts of blood through our arteries, delivering steady stream of oxygen and nutrients to our body.